Hi, welcome back. Myself Kiki Singh, and I'm a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. So for last couple of days, I have been creating the videos on Google Sheets and its functions and the formula as well. So both functions and formulas are, collectively is the need of the Google Sheets if you want to perform any task. And today's task is about, or the scenario is about, I want to insert a chart, and according to the chart or the data available, I want to insert a table which enables me to scroll the data ups and down. Up down, to scroll the data up down, let me stop scrolling the entire data towards the end, so that what I found here, that the entire chart is on the screen, and along with the entire data is on the screen. So both charts and the scrolling data simultaneously or adjacently are on the screen. So let's move to my sheet. So here this is my sheet, and what I want to create the chart. So to create the chart, I want to create the chart between name and the percentage. Name and the percentage. So I have selected these two columns. So as soon as I select these two columns, now what I want, because I want to insert the chart, so I'll go to the insert menu and click on chart, and this way the chart is created. But I do not want this kind of chart. I want to swap rows and columns, or transpose rows and columns, and so I am going to switch rows. So it looks like this, and I'm using the column C as the header. So my chart is created, correct? So I'm positioning this chart just adjacent to the data. See here. Now what I want to create a scrolling table adjacent to this chart. Then how to do this? For that, I'll have to select the entire sheet. So selecting the entire sheet, then I'll go to insert, I'll go to the insert menu and insert the chart. I do not want this chart, so I'll move to chart column, chart column, and in this drop down, I select the table, scrolling table, then insert. So as soon as I insert, one table is inserted in my data sheet, and this sheet is simply a table which can be drag from here to there, and we can use this to you know, scroll up and down like this. And if I want to sort this data, simply click on the name column, so it will be sorted in ascending or descending order. And after this, what I want to copy this data from means I want to copy these two charts from here to another sheet. This table sheet. So selecting, because scrolling the entire sheet is difficult, and it does not show the chart, and I want the chart and this scrolling table should look all together, and that is why I created or inserted this scrolling table in my data. Now what I want to copy this data, this scrolling sheet, scrolling table, and the chart both, and taking to new table. See here, and positioning the graph. So this way I have inserted the chart here. So hope you liked how to insert the chart, and what are the benefits of inserting the charts or scrolling table in my Google Sheet. So if you like this video, kindly share with your friends, and subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed, so that you get the notification as and when new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.